Hi everyone, Mark here at the Ponderosa. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm back out in Corfu doing an update. As you can see behind me, we have many beautiful poppies. The state flower of California growing here in Corfu. We also have some zinnias. Snapdragons are hanging in there, almost done. And we also have some stock growing back there, and this, I think this is phlox. So leave me a comment, let me know. So the zinnias finally blossomed. I'm going to cut some of these back, but you can see this one, it's a very pretty, it's kind of a peach color, salmon color. This one's a bright like tomato red. I really like that one. This one's a little bit darker red. There you can see the kind of salmon color. I really like that one. So I'm going to be trimming this one. This one's got a bit of a lighter color, sort of a peachy color. So I'll be trimming some of these today so that we'll get more blossoms. Over here, this one's a deep red, almost a burgundy. This is probably my favorite one. And this is a beautiful, I always want to get a few of these beautiful lavender zinnias. So those are doing really nice. I think this is phlox. It's got little 5-petal flowers, but it's white. I didn't get any other color, so got some white phlox. And then this, I had a bunch of these, and I don't know what they are, but the heat kind of killed them. And so I decided just to pull them up, get rid of the rest of these, and make room for some of these other wildflowers like the whatever that is. And those lupin are still going. There you can see there's a lupin. Hoping those come up and blossom. They're supposed to be perennial, so they should be coming back. And you can also see, that the pansies are just about done. I'm probably going to pull these out now. We had a heat wave, so a lot of these plants didn't quite make it, but the basil's still doing good. I've got a little pepper growing there. That's the red pepper, and there's jalapenos back there. Yeah, look at that. I got some jalapenos growing here too. So everything's looking up. Again, the viola is not doing so good. It didn't like the heat either. But that was sort of the plan. Everything's pretty much going according to plan. My idea is to get those annuals in there, get some color in here first, and now these perennials, the late annuals and other perennials are coming in, so I'm going to have color throughout the year. So going good, and then I've got a few edibles in there. Some peppers and some basil. So looking a little sparse. I might be doing a little planting the next few weeks. We'll see. If I do, I'll definitely be posting some video. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.